In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your marketplace icon that you can see on your homepage and click on HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're in there, it will actually load your marketplace. So for this case, just click onto the search bar and proceed to search for Calendly. You can find Calendly right here, so click onto this. And then after that, you can see it ready right there. To take that requires Calendly subscription, so click onto this install option. And then it will actually redirect you to the Calendly HubSpot integration system. So for this case, just head over and then just log in and add integration by clicking on this button. Once you have clicked on this should be able to open it directly. From in there, click on this Connect HubSpot option that will appear. And from in there, you can find it directly into the OAuth. Choose right here your HubSpot account that you wish to connect. I'll head over and choose right here this one and click on this button. Once it's done, it will redirect you back into your HubSpot wherein you just need to choose your final changes, click on this checkbox and click on Connect App in order to make things official. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.